Hmm?
I am kind of, duct taped with barbed wire, and it's stabbing me on my arm. Hello? I can't bend down.
I was just gonna go for that until you guys destroyed it. Look what I got.
He just like, I can't move, you see? It's kind of, he went down my shirt.
Do you want me to get it?
You're in my shirt now.
So my heart is not to touch anything.
No, give me the phone.
She will call you back temporarily.
No, she won't. She's gonna talk to him.
Stop.
Give me the phone. Help me. Okay.
Oh, it's right there.
Look, all my freaking body weight is on this tape, and it does not feel good. Whee. Come undo me.
No.
Please.